Well, we're here with the Kawasaki Z900. I've been holding off doing the sound test for a little while because I hadn't quite done the running in miles. So I think we've just ticked over 700 miles now. It's had its first service, so well, I guess it's time to open her up and hear what she sounds like. So stay tuned. I'm just going to set up the equipment and then shoot it. Sounds quite good on full chat. I'm going to do a flyby, I think. See what that sounds like. To pack up and leave. I think we need to go for a ride to Henley. I need to relax.